Hi everyone, Tia here, Shoppers Beauty Pro, and I'm here to show you how to get this sweet Halloween look. I'm using a white cream paint because it will help make the colors pop, but it will also help keep your makeup on all night at a Halloween party. With a smaller brush, I'm just gonna do the details of the drips. And because this is just a base, it doesn't have to be super perfect. You can use any color for your ice cream, but I chose to use this blue, which I'm going to go in and set the cream color with. So now that we have our drips done, we're going to go in and do some 3D detailing to really make them stand out. The point of this is to make it look more realistic and 3D-like. So what does your ice cream need? It needs a cone to sit on. So we're going to go in with a brown liquid liner and just create a little waffle pattern. So just like how we made the ice cream look a little bit more 3D, we're going to do the same thing to the cone by using neutral shadows. And for the eyes, I'm just gonna go in with a darker blue shade and give it a nice blown out look. Okay, so I finished this look with a bright pink lip and some lashes, and now I'm all ready to go dance at my Halloween party. Hope you enjoyed.